In the event that you're searching for Star Atlas DAO cost expectations conjecture for 2024, 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the costs of Star Atlas DAO Polies will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of Star Atlas DAO Polies and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. Kindly remember that you really want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master investigators. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally unimaginable. In any case, we will make an honest effort. How about we start? As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Star Atlas DAO is $0.1648 and Polies is at present positioned #593 in the whole crypto environment. The core supply of Star Atlas DAO is 256,124,349 with a market cap of $42,219,660. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Star Atlas DAO's cost has shown a decent increment of 2.83% as of now. From most recent 7 days, the Polies was in great vertical pattern and expanded by 21.65%. Star Atlas DAO has shown areas of strength for extremely recently, and this could be decent and open door to dive right in and contribute. Look at the market capitalization of Star Atlas DAO and other top digital forms of money with our natural instrument. Perceive how the all-out worth of every cryptographic money's flowing inventory piles facing others, and gain experiences into the market elements. Select 2 digital currencies to analyze their market cap and imagine the outcomes. We anticipate future Star Atlas DAO cost expectations plus estimate by applying profound man-made consciousness helped specialized examination on the past value information of Star Atlas DAO. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the Polies coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Star Atlas DAO market cap, Star Atlas DAO volume and barely any more. In the event that you are hoping to put resources into advanced digital forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, make a point to peruse our expectations. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation Outline. The cost of one Polies would reach as high as $0.345 as by 2025. Experts project a bullish pattern for Star Atlas DAO in 2030, with costs possibly coming to $1.99 mark. In a bullish situation, Star Atlas DAO could outperform the $159.70 mark for 2050, exhibiting likely vertical energy. With the ongoing cost of $0.1648, Star Atlas DAO holds its ground on the lookout. The negative cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO Polies in 2040 is $104.05, with a likely high of $123.89. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2024. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least worth of $0.1969 in 2024. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $0.223, with a typical exchanging cost of $0.2034 all through 2024. Star Atlas DAO Value Expectation 2025. Star Atlas DAO cost is estimate to arrive at a most minimal conceivable degree of $0.2761 in 2025. According to our discoveries, the Polies cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.3405 with a typical conjecture cost of $0.2842. Polies value conjecture for 2026. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.3937 in 2026. The Star Atlas DAO cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.479 with the typical cost of $0.4051 all through 2026. Star Atlas DAO Polies Value Forecast 2027. Star Atlas DAO cost is gauged to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $0.5781 in 2027. According to our discoveries, the Polies cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $0.6748 with the typical estimate cost of $0.5943. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2028. According to the gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2028 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at least degree of $0.815. The Polies cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $0.9937 with a typical exchanging cost of $0.8387. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2029. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polies, in 2029 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $1.14. The Polies cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.37 with the typical exchanging cost of $1.17. Star Atlas DAO Polies Value Forecast 2030. The cost of Star Atlas DAO is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.68 in 2030. The Star Atlas DAO cost could arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.99 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.74 all through 2030. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate 2031. The cost of one Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at any rate level of $2.36 in 2031. The Polies cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $2.96 with a typical cost of $2.43 all through 2031. Star Atlas DAO Polies Value Forecast 2032. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of Polies, in 2032 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is estimated to be at around a base worth of $3.37. The Star Atlas DAO value worth can arrive at a limit of $4.07 with the typical exchanging worth of $3.49 in USD. Star Atlas DAO Value Forecast 2033. According to the estimate and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach at least value worth of $5.24. The Polies cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of $5.92 with the typical worth of $5.38. Star Atlas DAO Value Conjecture 2040. Understanding business sector patterns and feelings is pivotal, however opinion can be flighty. Inspecting current market elements can offer bits of knowledge into potential cost developments. However, taking into account the more extensive ecosystem is fundamental. In 2040, the greatest cost of Star Atlas DAO is supposed to reach $123.89, with a typical exchanging worth of $110.07. The base cost is projected to be around $104.05. Polies Value Conjecture for 2050. Associations and coordinated efforts with laid-out organizations or ventures can contribute essentially to standard acknowledgement. In view of our Star Atlas DAO cost expectation in 2050, the base anticipated cost is $140.62 and can reach as high as $159.70 for the year 2050. It can exchange at a normal typical cost of $147.01. Star Atlas DAO Value Estimate Facts. What will be the Polies most noteworthy conjecture cost for 2024? The Polies cost is supposed to arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.223 toward the finish of 2024. What is the eventual fate of Star Atlas DAO? The eventual fate of Star Atlas DAO is exceptionally reliant upon the general exhibition of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Polies, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This kind of